No, please get away from me. Why are we talking about relationship? No.
Love life, ምናምን ከኔ የተማርሽው ትምህርት ምንድነው?
That I need to stay away from men. ምንም relationship ውስጥ ራሴን አላየው. Hey guys.
Hi. ዛሬ በጣም ወሳኝ ቀን ነው. እስከ ዛሬ ጠይቂያት ማላቃቸውን የሪሌሽንሺፕ ጥያቄዎች ልጠይቃት ነው. ምክንያቱም በጣም ያሳስበኛል. ምን ታስብ ይሆን ስለ ሪሌሽንሺፕ? ምን አይነት ሰው ዴት ታደርግ ይሆን? ምንድነው ያላት ፍላጎት ምናምን የሚሉ የእናትነት ጭንቀቶች ታቆይለ እና እንደዚህ አይነት ሀሳቦች ስላሉኝ ዛሬ ጥያቄዎች አዘጋጅቼላታለሁ. ስለ ሪሌሽንሺፕ የምታስበውን ጠይቃታለሁኝ. እስኪ መልሶቿንም ስታንዳርዷንም ሬት እናደርግላታለን. እሺ ደህና ነሽ? እንዴት ነሽ? እሺ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ the most attractive ነገር አንድ ወንድ ለሚያከብራት ለሚወዳት ሴት ማድረግ አለበት ብለሽ የምታስቢው ነገር? አበባ ይስጣት እንዳትኝ አደራሽ.
አይደለም respectful ሲሆን
በምን ወይ ነው ሾው የሚያደርገው?
respectን ታይም በመስጠት በመስማት ፊሊንግን ኢንቫልቭ ባለማድረግ በቃ ታይም በመስጠት and like ፋሚሊዎቿን የሷን አይዲያም ነበር ማክበር.
ኦኬ እሺ ሲክሬት ክራሽ ኖሮሽ ያውቃል? ማንም ሰው ማያውቃው ክራሽ እንዴት ሰው አይኖረው? አስታውሽ ጀስት አይተሽው እንደርሽው ሰው ማለት እኮ ነው.
በፎቶ
በምን በጣም ብዙ
because I don't know them like አለቃቸው
እኮ ባታውቂያቸውም ግን ክራሽ አለሽ?
Crush, it's not like in a romantic way. You know, they're cute. Okay.
No, I'm not telling you.
No.
Good for you. Tolo, not wish it. Mandara. Interesting. Type of schmidt.
Personality wise?
Yes. Personality wise or looks. Maname.
Let me know is
personality is important.
Okay. Why did I agree to do this video with you?
Because I said so. I'm your mama.
Personality kahone. A man who listens. እንትን እግዚአብሔርን የሚያውቅ God fearing የሆነ ሰው. ከዛም በኋላ a man who listens በጣም respectful የሆነ እንትን women's rights ብሎ መጽሐፍ ቢጨርስ
እሱ በትክክል
ቁጭ ብሎ women's rights ብሎን book ቁጭ ብሎ አንብቦ ይጨርስ ማለት ብዙ ከዛ በቃ ፋሚሊዎችን የሚያከብር passionate የሆነ ፕላን ያለው ቁጭ ማይል መቆም ሳይሆን actually passionate
ያለው vision ያለው.
Exactly.
Very good. A man without a vision is not even a man.
Even የሚሰራ like በፋሚሊዎቹ ማይተዳደር.
እሺ
የሆነ በጣም mature የሆነ
of course. እሺ አንድ ሰው አድርጎልሽ ወይም ደግሞ የሆነ ነገር ብቻ ደስ የሚል ወይም butterfly ሰጣሽ ግን weird ነገር?
Butterfly ግን ይቻላል.
Really?
I immediately get the ick. Even like my friends ያውቃሉ. I get the ick. ምንም ቢሆን.
Really?
Yeah.
No,
please get away from me. Genuinely, no, I hate that.
ለምሳሌ ትምህርት ቤት ውስጥ አንድ ልጅ በጣም ወደድኩሽ ምናምን ቢልሽና ሁሉ ጊዜ እየመጣ ወይ ታምራለሽ አብሬሽ ልሁን ወይ እናውራ ምናምን ቢልሽ ምን ይሰማሻል?
I hate that.
Really?
I promise. በጣም ነው የሚያስጠላኝ. No, ግን የኔ ልክ አለ. Like ልክ ነው ለኔ አላውቅም ግን like towards ሌላ ሰው it's not right. Like ይጎዳል ይላሉ.
ግን ወደድኩሽ ያለሽን በሙሉ ትሪት አታደርጊም.
It's not like that. ለምንድን ነው ወደድኩሽ የሚለኝ?
ወደድሽ ከሆነ
ወደዛ No, I immediately get the ick. ምንም ነገር ቢሆን በቃ የወንድ እክ ነው ማገኘው. ወንድ ለኔ እክ ነው. like friend ካልሆነ በስተቀር I love it. I have like a bunch of guy friends. እነሱን በጣም ነው የምወዳቸው. Like I genuinely love them. No. And then others is situation 2 weeks a week I get the egg.
ለእናት እንዴት ደስ እንደሚል ለነግራችሁ አልችልም ይሄን መስማት.
You know that too, like you read all of my texts and everything.
I know.
Exactly.
I know.
That's እንዴት ነው ጤነኛ ነገር ካለ?
አይ ጤነኛ ነው ለአሁን ኤጅሽ ጤነኛ ነው because አሁን ላይ you're young. ባንቺ እድሜ እኔ በጣም ስቱፒድ ነበርኩ. በእውነት ዳም ነበርኩ. So እንትናና ወደድኩት ምናምን ማለት
ከተለሽ ሌላ ሀገር ሄድሽ?
የወደድኩትን ሰው ተከትዬ ሌላ ሀገር ሄጃ ቃለው ሌላ ከተማ ማለት ነው ቤቱ ሄጃ ቃለው ምናምንና እኔ ማዋራው ሰው ክብርሽን ጠብቂ እሚለኝ ሰው ቢኖር ጥሩ ነበር. Thank you. You see how respectful ለራስሽ you are. ያኔ ግን እኛ የሚያወራን ሰው ስላልነበረ የሆነ ሰው ስንወድና የሆነ በቃ አክሽን ስናደርግ ያደግን ይመስለናል. በቃ ደስ የሚል ኤክስፒሪየንስ የአድቬንቸር ነገር
No.
That's good. በእውነት በሷ እድሜ እኔ በጣም ዳም ነበርኩኝ. I thank God. እውነት ይሄን በመስማቴ አሁን በእናንተ ጀነሬሽን ያለ ስለ ዴቲንግ ለኔ ሾክ የሚያደርገኝ ከመስደነግጠኝ ነገር ብለሽ እንዳስቢ ምንድነው?
What? Everything is done.
ሁሉም ያስደነግጣል?
Yeah. Really talking stage, situationship, there's like a talking stage. Talking stage bad at them. Like situationship bad at like everything is new. Can't you compare to Derek?
New is like what? I'm weird, shocking, crazy?
It's not weird. It depends. But some people, some relationships are crazy, some relationships are sweet.
You know, I think banya generation kanabara ahun more easier,
more easier, and like women have more self-respect.
That's good. That's good to know.
But I mean, Muslim.
እንዳንቺ የሚያስቡ ሴቶች አሉ በጣም የተባረኩ ናቸው. ራሳችሁን በጣም አክብሩ. ለአንድ ቀን የሆነን ሰው ማይንድ ሪድ ማድረግ ትችያለሽ ብትባይ የማንን ማይንድ ትመርጫለሽ?
የወንዶችን. I really want to know how they think, but yes. I just like this I genuinely want to know እንዴት እንደሚያስቡ.
Like
እንዴት ነው ፋንክሽን ያደርገው ጭንቅላታቸው የሚለው ማለት ነው.
You see the same thing ወንዶች ቢጠየቁ ሴቶች ምን እንደሚያስቡ ማወቅ ነው የምፈልገው ለኔ.
I'm not like guys እኔ ወንዶችን I'm not a man hater. ግን በቃ I love ወንዶች but not in a relationship way. Like in a friend way I love ወንዶች.
That's good actually. ስለ ሪሌሽንሺፕ የሰጠውሽ አድቫይስ ማትረሹ ወይም አሪፍ ነው ብለሽ የምታስቢው ምንድን ነው? Really?
Yeah, I always do Rasi and then Necrochandonji. I've never asked an advice from you.
Yeah, it's a relationship typically satisfaction.
Yeah, and
just
I don't want to be such.
Really?
That's very awkward. Like, what do you mean? Relationship in the Mohalibet, but I can have at you gombes.
No, that's not it. Again, respecting yourself, expecting respect from him.
I know that.
Okay, good for you. የኔን ምክር አትፈልግም ሰማችሁ አይደል? ስንት ሰው እንደመከርኩኝ ይገሩሽ.
And it's not in a bad way.
I know. This is funny. Something you learned, Kenny, a relationship experience with love life, ምናምን Kenny ተማርሹ ትምህርት ምንድን ነው?
That I need to stay away from men. Am I even allowed to say that?
Yeah, you can say it.
Yeah, I think it's just like the way I think የመጣው is from my family.
If you meet someone, oh, this is the one. እምትይው ምን ብታይበት ነው?
እንዴት ነው ማማ? I don't see myself in a relationship. In a relationship ውስጥ ራሴን አላየው.
It's too early actually. እሱ መልስ አለመመለስሽ ደስ ብሎኛል ለኔ. Okay. እሺ አንቺ ራስሽን ሪሌሽንሺፕ ውስጥ ላታዩ ትችላለሽ ግን ጀነራሊ ሬድ ፍላግ ብለሽ የምታስቢው ወንዶች ማድረግ የሌለባቸው ነገር?
I don't think so. I think that we I think that we I think he met out is from my family. If you meet someone and
ሴትን ሲቀርቡ ይሆናል ወይ ደግሞ ጀስት አይተዋት አትራክት ለማድረግ ሲሞክሩ ሊሆን ይችላል ምናምን በጣም የሚያደርግና ልክ ያልሆነ
እንጃ በእኔ ኤክስፒሪየንስ ነው እንጂ በሁሉም ኤክስፒሪየንስ ልናገር አልችልም። ግን አሁን በእኔ ለምን ቀርበኛል ጭራሽ የምታወራኛል I promise. Like Lenny, I don't want him near me. I don't want a man metal. Oh my god, Tom at least it's doing effort. That's just uncomfortable let me other day. So and let's also there's nothing I like.
You rather have men friends.
Yeah, than relationship. Yeah. Actually let's just say that. I'm just scared of relationship. Like I don't see myself in a committed relationship. Why are we talking about relationship? No.
It's too early committed ምናምን ለመሆን
Not even committed.
I just want to know አንቺ ያለሽበትን stage.
እኔ ያለሁበት stage ወንድ መቶም እንዲቀርበኝ አልፈልግም፣ እንዳወራኝ አልፈልግም፣ ዞር እንደኛ አልፈልግም፣ ምንም በቃ እንዲተነፍሱብኝ አልፈልግም።
ሃሌሉያ አሁን ራሴን እያረጋጋሁ ነው ታውቂያለሽ። ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ሰው ስታክ አድርገሽ ታውቂያለሽ? Stalk a
bunch of people.
ለምን ስቶሪያቸውን ለማወቅ?
ኧረ በጣም ብዙ ነገር even there's like never mind I'm not secreting አላወጣም ግን there's this website እነሱ ሳያዩዋችሁ እናንተ ስቶሪ የእነሱ ማየት የምትችሉበት
እና ገብተሽ ታያቸዋለሽ።
ሶሻል ሚዲያ ስታክ ማድረግ ማለት በቃ ገብተሽ
አንድ ሰው አያውቅሽም ግን እኮ
public on profilaቸው of course ገብተሽ ታያለሽ። It's not like ህይወታቸውን ስታክ ማድረግ ሶሻል ሚዲያቸውን ስታክ ያደርጋለሽ።
Okay. Creepiest የምትይው pick-up line?
Creepy or cringe?
Cringe, okay. I'm getting the cringiest የምትይው pick-up line የተላከልሽ.
Okay, this dude. Don't even know what I'm again. Do you have a band-aid? Because I just cried my knees falling for you.
Oh my god.
Genuinely, who say that? Who's bro?
Miskina Shilila.
Okay, cause this dude replied to my story. Cause I think my phone is broken. Your number isn't saved yet. I was just like, bro, who say? We've never texted before. We've በአካል አንታወቅም ምንም አላደርግም ቴክስት ላይ
ባካችሁ ወንዶች የምትጽፉትን ነገር ስማርትሊ ጻፉ።
it's just oh my god
እሺ እኔና አንቺ ስለ ሪሌሽንሺፕ የምናስበው ሀሳብ ለሴም ነው ብለሽ ታስቢያለሽ ወይስ?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's got the all caps I guess absolutely not no.
በጣም ነው actually እኔ በጣም people pleaser ነኝ። እኔ ኮምፈርት ሳይሰማኝ እኔ ደስ ሳይለኝ ምናምን ሰዎችን ማስደሰት or ምናምን ኮምፈርት መስጠት ነው እንትን ማለት እሷ ደግሞ ተቃራኒ ነች። ካልተመቸ አልተመቸኝ ደስ ካላለት ደስ አይለኝ። I love you for that because you respect yourself. በእውነት you respect yourself. እሱ ነው በጣም ደስ የሚለኝ ትልቁ ነገር።
እና አንቺን የሚያለያየን ነገር ምንድነው? በጣም ቶለሬት ታደርጊያለሽ። You take things. በጣም patient ነሽ። I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but like for me, I need to respect myself enough to like take a step back. And it's not how or like my partner not fully, but like just to make my partner into this thing, let's say we're in a relationship, he disrespects me once. He disrespects me twice. Because I want no, I need to like have enough self-respect for myself to like take a step back. And no, and if no. Not even business. Like I'm talking in general the whole purpose of life is not getting married and relationship, nourishing, getting married and have kids. No, that's not like the purpose of life. And if you have like a lot of things you don't want to miss out. Why would I waste my time in a relationship right now. Like right now, I don't want to waste my time relationship with Skepchi. Not even waste my time. I just like, I don't know. I know I'm not ready. I know God has a plan for me. I like, but I'm not in a lot of years in the future. But I know that's not the right time. So I just don't want to try anything and then like የእግዚአብሔርንም time ዝቅም ወይ ደግሞ ዞር ማድረግ አልፈልግም. You get me? That's why I'm not like, oh my God, about men. Yeah, I just like, try respect yourself enough. ማንም ሰው መጥቶ disrespect አያደርጋችሁም. Even like አሁን ብዙ ሰዎች ምን ብለው ያስባሉ መሰለሽ? አሁን ብዙ ወንዶች ናናቺ ሴት ጋር ሄጄ አላወራም. Why? Because she knows I know እኔ እንደማልመጥናት. እንደዛ መባል is a big thing for us. ገባሽ? Like and when አይቶሽ no and I'm not sure ማለት is like a really big thing. Like እንዴት ነው? Even ሳታወሪው he knows you have a really big standards. And he knows እንደሱ ህፃናት ወንድ እንደማትሄጂ. You get what I'm saying?
ይሄ ዝም ብሎ አንቺን girlfriend ማድረግ ወይ ዴት ማድረግ እንደማይችል ነው ማሰብ ያለበት.
Yes, talking to me is a big privilege. ማንም ሰው ያን privilege አያገኝም. That's how I think. I'm not being egoistic or something. That's just like who I am and how I think. I personally think respecting, like, for a man to respect Leila said, he needs to have respect for his family first. He needs to value his family, and he needs to like respect himself and like have self-love for himself first. Because አንቺ ራስሽን ካልወደድሽ you don't like እንዴት ነው ያንን ሰው መውደድ የምትችይው? If that makes sense, because like እንዴት ነው you need like a man መጀመሪያ his whole goal ሴት መሆን የለባትም. It's still the way I think. ሴት መሆን የለባትም. It has to be his goal. ሰክሰስ ማድረግ አለበት እንዲህ ከዛም በኋላ like ለራሱ ኬር አድርጎ ከጨረሰ በኋላ ነው ሌላ ሰው ማሰብ ያለበት ለፋሚሊ ኬር ማድረግ አለበት. For me, respect comes from the family. For me, a man respectful ለሚለው when I actually ከህፃን ልጅ ጋር ሳየው ህፃን ልጅ እንዴት ትሪት እንደሚያደርግ ሳየው እናቱን እህቱን ቤተሰቦቹን ዌይትረሶች በቃ people ላይ ውጪ ላይ መንገድ ላይ ያሉ ሰዎችን ትሪት ሲያደርግ ነው የምታየው እንጂ respect doesn't just like come off እንደዚህ. So yeah.
Many high school boys have a lot of relationships, like short-term relationships. Gana በዛድሜያቸው they have experience a lot of it. አሁን ባናወራው እና you think that spoils የወደፊት ላይፋቸውን ያበላሻል ወይም ለሪሌሽንሺፕ ያላቸውን ብቃት ያበላሻል ብለሽ ታስቢያለሽ?
Yeah, because እንዴት ነው I think you need to have enough self-respect for yourself to wait for what God has planned for you. That's miloniker because high school life, never mind high school life just I know I'm not mature enough to be in a relationship because I'm gonna hurt myself and hurt the person I'm in a relationship with too. Gabash? So I don't want to take that risk. I don't want to take a big step that's like I'm not ready for. Gabash? You understand? It's gonna hurt both of us. So just I have a future. I have plans. God has plans for me. The whole part of my life is not me being in a relationship. ብዙ ነገር አለ. ገባሽ? So why would I waste my time on something that's not in God's plan? That's all የሚለው ነገር እና ደግሞ let's say you got hurt እና ያለው ለምሳሌ እግዚአብሔር በቃ እቺ ልጅ በ25 ዓመቷ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ውስጥ ትገባለች ወይ ደግሞ ሰው ታገኛለች ብሎ አለገልሽ በ24.5 ዓመትሽ ላይ you met this guy who's not part of God's plan and then you like get to know each other and then he broke your heart so your perspective on man is going to change ከዛም በኋላ የጋድን ፕላን ታራዝሚያለሽ ማለት ነው you're not going to be opinion exactly so my like የኔ strategy is like እንዴት ነው ከብዙም ነገር ያየሁት ነገር ከብዙም ነገር in a very different dynamic you just need to have enough self-respect to yourself to wait God plan አደረገልኝ ነገር
ብዙ young ልጆች የሆነ የማደግ ምልክት ሊመስላቸው ይችላል
I felt that
they
too.
go out
I felt that too like having guys attention I thought it was just like oh my God he thinks I'm pretty እንደዛ ያስብላል but like once I got closer with God and then once I know my worth that's when I know, no, maybe not. And then like even I'm a very avoidant person. በጣም እና እሱም እንዳለው ሆኖ I just don't want a relationship. I just don't want to be new with men anywhere. ከማንም ጋር እንደዛ መሆን አልፈልግም።
Actually, this is the way ብዙ ወጣት ልጆች ማሰብ ያለባቸው ስለራሳቸው because ከወንድ ጋር መታየት አልፈልግም ወንድ አያስፈልገኝም አሁን ምናምን is
it's not the right thing because I'm not saying I'm right
ግን ይሄ the right time now because you're only 18 you guys are just ገና ላይፍን ልትጀምሩ
exactly
so you don't need the relationship drama in your life.
But like what I'm saying is everyone does that because like there's a lot of people out there high school sweetheart nebro ahun hiwatena yallacha. I'm not including everyone. I'm just like speaking for myself.
Again, it's better to wait until you're a little bit matured. Ndagana
just like for the sake of both of y'all. Like if you wait the longer you wait the best it would be. I don't know. Does anyone like
it? The better because you get matured so you can pick and do arif so attract የሚያደርግሽ አንቺ ማቹር በሆንሽ ልክ ነው because men እንደዚህ በአንድ ደቂቃ አይቶ ስማርት ነሽ አይደለሽም ማቹር ነሽ አይደለሽም መለየት ይችላል so he plays with your heart and then just throw you away
and I don't blame men too
I don't blame immature ከሆንሽ ራስሽን አሳልፈሽ የምትሰጪው ማለት ነው So, that's a very good advice.
Now, I'm not saying this generation because I'm in the same generation as everyone is, but at least in your generation, like, it's not going to be like a mean thing to say, but like, in your ሰው ሚለንን እንሰማለን ትልቅ ሰው ማንም ትልቅ ሰው ድሮ አሁን ልጅንን ሲመታ እንዘምራለን አሁን እኮ we're in the generation ልጅን ማትመችበት ሰዓት ላይ እና it's a very scary world አሁን the world is scary it's evil እና please now እንጃ if I have a daughter በጣም አድጌ ራሱ ቪዲዮ ማደርገው self worth እንዲኖራት and then ወንዱ ደግሞ women's rights
ቅድም ያልሽኝን ንገራችሁ ወንድና ሴት ልጅ ቢኖር እንደምታረጊ
me and my friend we always talk about this like ወንድና ሴት ልጅ ቢኖረን it might be not the right thing to say like ወንድና ሴት ልጅ ቢኖረን ሴት ልጅን አጥቻጫታለሁ ወንዱ ልጅ ቤት ቁጭ ብሎ women's rights ነበር I know it's not the right thing to say I would never do that I'm just saying
I know ግን የተሳቋን ነገር ስትነግሪኝ ቅድም በጣም ሊሳቆት
yeah just like እንዴት ነው ወንዶች ስፔሻሊ ከልጅነታቸው ጀምሮ ሪስፔክትን ከለመዱ ለምሳሌ ላይ ልጅ እያለ ወንድምና እህት ከሆኑ ወንድምየው እህትየውን ትሪት እያደረጋት ምናምን እሷም ላይ ለሁለቱ ጥቅሙ ምንድነው እሱ he knows how to treat a woman እሷ ደግሞ ወርዳ የሚለካው በሱ ይሆናል እሱ ምን ያህል ድረስ እንደሚሄድላት ምናምን ታያለች ምን ትሪት እንደሚያደርጋት እንደሚንከባከባት ታያለች right ለሁለቱም ይጠቅማል እሷም በጣም ትልቅ ስታንዳርድ ይኖራታል እሱም he knows how to treat a woman
Okay, ከኛ ጋር ስለነበራችሁ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል
and wait I'm sorry and I love every single one of y'all who wish happy birthday on the comments I love you so much you guys are so sweet I love you
yeah thank you so much በጣም ደስ ብሎናል ሰጣችሁን ሐሳብ all the best wishes ነው ያገኘሽው really በጣም የሚያምሩ የሆነ ኦዲየንሶች ነው ያሉት
ወዳቻለሁ ከህይወቴ በእውነት እግዚአብሔር
yeah now one advice for moms and dads I have especially moms be closer to your girls ለምን ልጆቻችሁን ፕሮቴክት ለማድረግ please friend ሆናችሁ አውራቸው ዘና ብላችሁ በቃ እንደ ጓደኛ you can save them አይደለ one positive ነገር ነው አይደል እንደዚህ close ማውራት
yeah it is positive thing because like either way your daughters or your sons are going to do it so it's better if they talk to you about it and then like you're not I personally think
yeah
I don't know
advice ይመስላል
and for my girls out there respect yourself
yeah
don't let any man fool you don't let any man get into your life no
yeah your dreams first
yeah
okay
and you first have fun go out with your friends take a cute pictures there's a lot of things in the world no don't like equip yourself with a relationship right now it's not I don't think if it's the right time
Yeah. Very
You're
good
young.
advice.
You're young once.
Mhm.
And they've channel young minhono. So
Yeah.
have fun. There's a lot of things to see in the world.
Yeah. All right. Thank you guys. We love you.
Ah.